How about here? How about here? Miss.
Does it fit?
Mm-hmm.
Yes? Pee-Pee got another piece.
This is so boring.
Pee-Pee, do you think it's boring?
Mm-mm.
Pee-Pee thinks it's fun.
He says it's fun?
Yeah.
That doesn't go there. So, you have to wait. So, we have to talk about this.
Uh-huh.
We have to wait.
For what?
We have to wait for Maxwell.
Pee-Pee found a piece. Where does it go?
Can you tell me where it goes? I'll show you where it goes.
It's a horse, says Titi.
I wonder where the horse goes. I wonder where the horse goes. I don't think it goes there. I think you have to wait for it. This is so boring.